Hi, this is Poonam Sharma and welcome to Sadbhavna News. The Reserve Bank of India is in discussion with the government over the privatization of public sector banks, Governor Shaktikant Das said on Thursday, according to news agency. The process will go forward, the governor added. He made the comments while delivering the inaugural address at the India Economic Conclave 2021 underway in Delhi. These comments come in reference to the centre's plan to privatize public sector banks. It was proposed during the budget speech by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on February 1st as part of the efforts to revive the economy, which is reeling under the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The government is aiming to generate Rs 1.7 lakh crore through the disinvestment drive. The proposal has met with major criticism and protest by bank unions and various opposition leaders. Earlier on March 15 and 16, the United Forum of Bank Union, an umbrella body of the 9 bank unions, called a 2-day nationwide strike against the privatization of public sector banks. In the era of Bank Nirbhar Bharat, where all the schemes of the government are being implemented by the public sector banks, the proposal to privatize 2 PSBs is retrograde and inimical to the national interest, said bank unions in a joint release. In a hopeful note, amid the surge in COVID-19 cases in the country, Das said that India's revival of economic activity is expected to be unabated despite a rise in infections in many areas. He also said that though the surge is a matter of concern, 2022 growth projections might not need to be cut. Our preliminary analysis shows that the growth rate next year, that is at 10.5%, which we had given, would not require a downward revision, the RBI chief said according to the news report. The RBI governor also spoke about cryptocurrency and said that the central bank has flagged major concerns to the government. It is still under examination. The government will come out with a powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.